In this video, we will learn what is the difference between the trial version and the full version, as well as how to install and activate the program. If you have never installed a counter on your computer before, then first you need to install the trial version and check its performance. Despite the fact that the counter is based on the Microsoft Excel program, the file itself is executable and has the exe extension. This is due to the fact that the file is compiled by a special program that protects against hacking and provides control over license keys. During the installation process, you should read the license agreement and accept it. Then you can specify the location where the counter will be installed or leave the default folder. After installing the program, a shortcut to the Sampo counter will appear on the desktop. Let's launch the app. This is a fully functional program that you can use completely free of charge for an unlimited time. Its only difference from the full version is that manual entry of numbers is limited to 37 moves. At the same time, you can use a random number generator without restrictions to test your strategy and to explore the capabilities of the system. It is strongly recommended not to open other Excel files while the counter is running, otherwise macros may malfunction. Now consider the option with the full version of the file. After downloading and installing the application, go to the license payment page and select the desired number of days. After payment, you are provided with a token that can be copied to the clipboard by clicking on it. After launching the application, we will see the activation window. Insert the copied key and wait for the license activation. At the same time, it is necessary that the computer is connected to the internet. After successful activation, an internet connection is no longer required for the program to work until the current license expires. The license will be valid for the paid number of days plus the number of hours remaining until midnight of the day when the license was activated. For example, you paid for a license for 1 day and activated it on January 20th at 23 o'clock. Then the license will be valid for a full day on January 21st, plus 1 hour until midnight on January 20th. That is, in fact, you will use the counter for 25 hours. On the last day of the license validity, a warning message will appear stating that the program has been running for the last day. Also, a similar reminder will appear 15 minutes before the expiration of the license. When you click the Info button, a window will appear in which there will be information about the validity period of the current license. There is also a link to video tutorials here. If you have already familiarized yourself with the Sampo counter, you may want to use it in a real money game. Given its incredible effectiveness, it is really not easy to resist such a temptation. But despite the fact that the Sampo counter has the highest efficiency among all existing strategies, it is not a tool that will provide you with a stable income with an absolute guarantee. The efficiency of the counter is 99.99%, which is a really good indicator. But still, it's not 100%. Sooner or later, a gaming situation may arise in which your balance will be completely exhausted. Of course, when you replenish it, you will get the opportunity to compensate everything, but at the same time you will not have a guarantee that such a situation will not happen again one day. Therefore, we strongly recommend not to gamble for money. The Sampo strategy was developed only for the purpose of solving a mathematical problem from the field of probability theory. Roulette here acts only as a random number generator in the range from 0 to 36. Probability theory itself was once born out of the desire to win in gambling, where there is a randomness factor. Now it is a serious science that solves many complex problems. And roulette for many years remained a kind of peak, which for many years no one managed to conquer. It was this challenge that was the main motive that inspired the author who developed the Sampo strategy. This concludes our video course. Do not gamble for money. Learn math and think big. We wish you all the best.
Substance. 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 Substance.